Hi everyone, welcome back. If you guys are new, thank you for stopping by my channel. So today I'm very excited. I'm actually doing a wives tale. Everyone's been doing it. So this is just baking powder. I just washed the cup, so I don't know if that's going to be accurate. I didn't have the time or wanted to wipe it, so that's why it's a little wet. Just washed it. So I know it's gross, but I have like pee on both cups, or on the big one and the little one. If the little one isn't a lot of it, then I will pour some more in this one. I didn't want to use any more cups, so this was a very cheap one from Walmart, so that's why I'm using it. But I will put something on it that says "Do not drink out of this cup." And then so I heard that if it fizzes, it's a boy. If it doesn't fizz, and if it's just bubbly, or if it doesn't fizz at all, then it's a girl. So I am super excited. I know the gender of my baby. I went to the ultrasound probably about on June 12, 2020. That was a Friday. And I will be doing a gender reveal soon here, so we can actually figure out or find out, or everyone will find out if I'm having a boy or girl. And I'm super excited, so I hope you guys can see it. I don't know if this is, yeah, I think I'll do it here instead of over there. So okay, so I already did the other three gender prediction tests. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. If you guys have already seen it, then I'm gonna go ahead and pour this. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do like this so everyone can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. So I see bubbles. What do you guys think, if it's a boy or girl? Let's see. I see bubbles. Let's see. I don't know if you guys see fizzing. If you guys see fizzing, let me know. I don't know for sure. It's actually, it looks kind of like fizzing, but at the same time, all I see is just bubbles. Let me show you from the, let's see, from the inside. If anybody can tell me in the comments down below to see if it's fizzing or if it's just bubbling, a boy or a girl. I wanted to know how many of you guys think it's a girl, how many of you guys think it's a boy. Okay, so I will show you guys from the top. Okay, so looks like that. I don't know if that's fizzing or bubbles. I normally see bubbles, but there's fizzing too. Let's see. It's kind of hard to say. So we'll find out. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm supposed to be moving it, but the more I moved it, the more it starts to. I think it's because I didn't wash the cup, so that might be the reason why. I think I'm supposed to do it in a clean cup. but it does look like it's fizzing. Next time I'm gonna do another one with a clean cup, and especially a more urine, so I will know when to compare, or how to compare this one, since this one has water in the cup. That may be why, but yeah, so that is it. That's a lot of fizzing. I don't even know if I'm supposed to put that many baking soda in there. Well, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this is gross, but since everyone's doing it, I wanted to give it a try too. And I did it, but I will do a redo another one just to see how this one is compared to the other one, the newer version. But I'm glad you guys are watching this, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys think it's a boy or girl, and I would love to hear from each and every one of you. I am actually 21 weeks and probably 2 days, probably about 22 weeks now. So I'm in my second trimester, and I will be doing a gender reveal soon. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.